Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Assistant Professor Shrutika Kadam from Shri Mudai Devi Shikshan Sanstha's Professor Bajirao Kadam College Deur. Now, from today we can start our bridge course. Today's topic is Introduction to Physics. See students, I could imagine that even the earliest human beings or possibly pre-human beings had asked themselves the questions. Why am I here? What is the nature of reality? Why is the universe organized and the way that it is? And these questions are what we attempt to answer in the field of physics. So student, in this topic we can discuss about physics world. In this lecture we can discuss about these 3 points. One is the origin of word physics. Second is what is physics. Third is branches of physics. First we discuss about the origin of word physics. The physics word come to the Greek word physis. Physis means nature and physics means knowledge of nature. So it really about study in nature, how it works. Students, in BSc we can little bit study about this topic. But guys, firstly we have know about what is physics. The formal definition of physics is the study of various physical phenomena and the fundamental laws of governing them. See, physics is the branch of science and this branch concerns with the nature and properties of matter and energy. Our next point is branches of physics. This topic is very important because of in BSc class there are 2 papers for each semester. In these semesters we can study about these branches. Physics have 2 branches. One is a classical mechanics and second is modern physics. Classical mechanics divided into mechanics, waves, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, optics. These branches developed before the 19th century. Second branch is modern physics. This branch developed after the 19th century. This branch is divided into atomic physics, nuclear physics, quantum mechanics. After that, we discuss about the basic definition of sub branches and their some applications. Classical mechanics. Classical mechanics is the study of effect produced by a force. Motion of car, loading a bridge, working of hydraulic machine. These are the application of classical mechanics. Waves. Wave is the study of effect produced by a vibration or an oscillation. Oscillation of pendulum, sound produced by a violin, noise produced by a fighter jet. These are the application of waves. Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the study of effect produced by a heat. Expansion of mercury in the thermometer, working of an engine, working of a refrigerator. These are the application of thermodynamics. Electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is the study of effect produced by a charge or a magnet. Light thundering, working of heater, generation of electricity. These are the application of electromagnetism. Optics. Optics is the study of effect produced by a light. Image produced by a mirror. Color of the sky, color seen in soap bubbles. These are the application of optics. Atomic physics. Atomic physics is the study of the structure of an atom and characteristics of subatomic particles. Neon sign board, working of laser, working of compact fluorescent light. These are the application of atomic physics. Nuclear physics. Nuclear physics is the study of atomic nuclei and their constituent particles. Nuclear power generation, carbon dating, radiotherapy, these are the application of nuclear physics. Quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics deals with the behavior of matter and energy at the atomic scale. Smartphones, electron microscope, magnetic resonance imaging, these are the application of quantum mechanics.